Painmaster is incredibly easy to use. Inside each box are 2 self-adhesive patches, the microcurrent circuit with built-in battery, and the usage instructions. Using your index finger, point to the painful area on your body, on your lower back or elbow, for example. Then, with your thumb and middle finger, locate the spots on which you'll place the patches either side of the pain, not on it. Peel the patches off the plastic backing and position them on your body. To start the current, simply clip the cable to the patches. It doesn't matter which way round. The red light flashes to indicate the current is working. When you no longer want to use Painmaster, just replace the patches onto the plastic backing and unclip the wire to stop the battery. Washing the patches regularly in cold water will help keep them sticky. If needed, you can wear more than one Painmaster set at the same time. See the image from the usage instructions as an example of where they could be applied. Remember, unlike TENS machines or heat pads, you can reuse Painmaster as often as you wish. As you cannot feel the microcurrent, it is better to wear it for at least 3 to 5 days for better results and to stimulate the body's natural healing process. Although Painmaster is clinically approved with no known side effects, it is important to note that they cannot be used on the head or by people with pacemakers, children under 12 or pregnant women. Next time you need pain relief and reach for ibuprofen or heat wraps, why not kickstart the healing process with Painmaster?